Imagine a kitchen where the mirror above the sink suddenly shatters into 1,000 pieces. It's not just a random kitchen, but a research lab where scientists are experimenting with the properties of mirror-like surfaces. These surfaces, called mirrors, are made of glass coated with a thin layer of metal, usually silver or aluminum. But what happens when we heat up the mirror to extreme temperatures? But that's not the strangest part. The mirror's behavior changes in a way that defies our everyday experience. Wait until you hear what comes next. The mirror's surface begins to change in a way that's both fascinating and unsettling. It's like a grain of sand containing an entire library, where the information is encoded in the arrangement of tiny particles. Scientists discovered that the mirror's surface is composed of billions of tiny silver particles, each one reflecting light in its own unique way. As we heat up the mirror, these particles start to vibrate and move around, creating a new pattern of reflections. But then something unexpected happens. The mirror's surface begins to melt, just like a piece of wax in a warm hand.
It's a phenomenon that's both beautiful and disturbing, like watching a crystal-clear blue lake freeze into a solid sheet of ice.
The mirror's surface is no longer smooth and flat, but rather a chaotic mess of melted metal and glass. But what does this mean for our understanding of the world around us? For centuries, scientists have been studying the properties of mirrors, trying to understand the secrets of light and reflection. And now, thanks to this research, we have a new appreciation for the complexity and beauty of the mirror's surface. So, what can we learn from this experiment, and how can we apply it to our everyday lives? The mirror's behavior is a reminder that even the most mundane objects can hold hidden secrets and surprises. It's a testament to the power of human curiosity and the importance of exploring the unknown. So, if you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and join our journey of discovery. Want more mind-blowing facts like this? Hit subscribe and let me know in the comments what fascinates you most. And don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family, so they can experience the wonder of mirror science too. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more engaging content like this, and let's explore the world of science together.